LampStand Music.
Hi everyone, welcome to Best Bites Forever. I'm Chef Alicia, and today I'm cooking with my friend Josh. He is the owner and founder of LampStand Records, and he is kind enough today to share his mama's sweet potato pie. But Josh, I have to fix something really quickly. I wasn't sure, but I think that we're going to be needing this because now we know why everybody calls him Tall J.
That's right.
The mystery is solved, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so
yeah.
how
All
are
right.
we starting?
Oh, we're good. Okay, so we dice up some sweet potatoes or candy yams or whatever you want to call them and stuff. Make sure you dice them up. I just put them in a bag. So
How much do you have?
I have 6 sweet potatoes in this bag.
6?
So we make about 6 pies out of this.
Okay, we're not going to weigh it.
No, we're not going to.
It's this much, you guys. If you have a
Yeah.
gallon baggie, that's what it should look like. That's the measurement. Okay?
Right.
Perfect.
Right.
So, go
So
ahead.
we put it in a pot to boil.
We have a pot down here,
Yeah, a pot
but
right here.
he's very, very tall, and you can't see his head and this at the same time. So
Definitely.
this is what's happening. We're going to put water in this and boil it for how long?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, perfect. And then when we come back, he's going to tell us a little bit about LampStand music, and we're going to mash potatoes and whatnot. Yeah? Okay. Okay, so we're back, and we boiled our potatoes for 20 minutes or so, right?
Yeah, about 20 minutes. Yeah.
But not until they're mushy.
Right.
What was Mom's instruction?
Just so they're soft, so they apply as you mix it. You don't want mashed potatoes, but you don't want watery potatoes. Put it that way.
Which makes sense, right? So what we're going to do now is
We're gonna mix the potatoes up right now. See, I have the potatoes in here. They're already cooked.
I love that you have to hold them
Yeah. I got the blender right here, so I'm going to blend the potatoes till they have a little consistency. Then we'll add all the ingredients that we have to add.
Okay, we're going to pause though so you don't have to hear the loud mixing noise,
Definitely.
and then we're going to come back and talk to you more. Okay. I gotta get off my stool. Back on my stool. Okay.
So we got it mixed up right now, you see? Ooh. There we go.
It's looking good.
Okay, and then we have a can of condensed milk.
Sweet condensed milk. Don't look at the brand. We're not recommending brands.
Exactly.
That's not what we're doing.
So this is a 14-ounce can. Sure.
This drives me crazy, you guys. We have to get all the goodness out. Josh's mom would be upset if he didn't see. I'm scraping because Mr. Tall J here was going to leave all that. We're not going to leave it, are we? Okay.
All right. So we got brown sugar right here.
How much are we putting in?
I would say about 4 teaspoons. Let's try that.
Okay. Show these teaspoons that you're doing. These are big teaspoons for a big guy.
Yeah.
That's not a real
Exactly.
teaspoon. We're going to...
Yeah, it's a mountain teaspoon, right?
Yes. Okay. A heaping teaspoon, I think is what we're talking about here. Really heaping.
So I lied. I'm gonna throw 6 in there. Okay. All right, and then we have some.
It's like a half a cup.
We have some apple spice, so we're gonna throw a teaspoon of apple spice up in here too as well.
Spice. Nice touch. I'm excited. I'm excited. I love anytime anybody starts with "this is Mama's recipe." It's gonna be good.
Okay.
It's gonna be good.
And then my mama said put 2 teaspoons of apple juice, 100% apple juice. Don't use the fake stuff.
Don't use the fake stuff.
Okay.
You're like this.
Then we have two sticks of melted butter.
And you can melt that in the microwave, but all of my bowls were in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
So we dirtied a pan. That was the
Definitely.
option over there.
So we're doing that. And then we have eggs. We have some whipped eggs right here.
So 2 eggs, right?
2 eggs, yeah.
2 eggs.
But be liberal on the eggs. I mean,
Okay.
it's not necessarily that you throw too many eggs in there, but just to give it that consistency, that stick in there, okay? So I'll pour a little bit in here and then I'm gonna stir it up.
You'll tell us all about the consistency in a minute, right?
Right.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about LampStand music.
Oh, LampStand music is...
I think everybody should know about this.
Yeah.
I think you should share with the people.
Okay, I will. Well,
Okay.
LampStand Music is a label that I started probably about a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
We do gospel music. I personally do gospel hip hop. hopefully the track is playing now that I'm allowed to have on this show.
Yes, Tall J made a specific track for this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's exclusive.
Yep, she has an exclusive track
I'm
for
special.
her show. So I make beats and stuff. I make beats and stuff like that too. I produce music and we record and stuff and just, kind of encourage people as well.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
So where did the name come from?
LampStand came from, in the Bible, the lampstand was something that they had outside the tabernacle that would light the way for people to read and do their thing.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, definitely. So we got it pretty much mixed up like that. It's not.
Yeah, you got to do a hold up on this because you have to see what this looks like or you're never going to get
Yeah, so you don't want mashed potatoes, but you want them just kind of thick like that, thick and hearty.
thick and hearty.
All right.
Perfect. So I wish I could say, we're going to be right back after this commercial because I got to pause the camera for a second, guys. We got to get a pie shell. So hang on. I'm getting off my stool again. That's going to be my thing every time. Look at this. This is silly. Okay.
All right. So we got the mix mixed up. We got our pie crust, right?
I'm being very serious right now.
Yeah. So we got our pie crust ready. So we're gonna dump it in here and fill the pie crust.
Yes.
You want to just fill it. You don't want it to overflow because it's gonna rise a little bit, but you want to fill it at least under the crust.
We'll show it to you once it's full, but you can't see both.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Sorry I grew so tall, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what else? What else do we want to talk about?
Oh yeah, I have an album coming out.
June 8th. Everybody, I'm going to leave a link down below.
Yeah.
So everybody can check that out. And also you want to go check out his Instagram, Facebook, right?
Yep, Facebook, LampStand Music Group at Facebook, and LampStand Music at Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm going to leave all the links down below. And I don't know if I can do an iCard, but if I can, I'm going to do one of those also. You are. I can do an iCard. I'm going to iCard him. I'm going to do all that stuff.
LinkedIn Music, LampStand Music Group as well.
I don't know, you guys, because look, we filled 2 pie shells, and his wife was giving him a hard time because he said six pies is not accurate. Anybody who's listening at the beginning, if you're still here, 2 pies, guys. But no, I don't think that's accurate either. Now I'm thinking 4 pies.
Yeah, exactly.
4 pies. Or possibly add some flour to what's left and make like sweet potato pancakes.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Heck yeah.
That's why you're the chef.
That's why. We solve problems in the kitchen. That's the difference between a chef and a cook, if you want to know. We look at this and go, oh, make pancakes. Right?
Right.
Okay,
that's a great idea, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to add self-rising flour to this and thicken it up and fry it for breakfast.
Okay.
Heck yeah.
Definitely. Sounds good. Okay, there we go.
Are these still hot? Can I touch them? Don't touch
No,
those.
they're hot. They're hot. They're still hot. So
Okay, so I'm going to let you hold it
pick
up
one
and
up
show
so you
everybody.
can see it.
You're touching it with one hand. I have 2
There
pot
you go.
holders.
Yeah. See that?
Okay,
Ooh.
being tough. That's
All right.
hot. It just came out of the oven. I can't believe you're touching that. Do you have a mark?
All right.
These are going in the oven
For 30 minutes.
30 minutes on 325.
Uh-huh.
That's it. That's all the information there is.
That's right. Yeah, just keep an eye on it. If the crust starts to get real brown and like burnt on the end, my mom said put some tin foil around the crust so it doesn't burn.
Yeah, totally. Or you can get them little pie thingies that you put around it. We're not going to worry about that.
All right, yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
off my stool. It's funny to me still.
All right, we got the pie done.
It looks beautiful. Look at it.
Yes,
Tell them, how do we test for the doneness?
So you basically take a fork and check the firmness right in the middle. You don't stick it like a regular pie or anything through there to pull it out, but just kind of pluck the fork on there to check the firmness. You want it real firm.
Firm.
Yeah, real firm. So we're gonna plate it up with some whipped cream and cut some pieces of it, and
we didn't have any browning problems. Look how beautiful this.
See that? Wow.
Slogan.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Yes. I know. She had a good recipe.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, we're gonna taste it.
We're gonna gonna taste it. Tall J's Mama's sweet potato pie.
Tall J's Mama's sweet potato pie. That's what I should put for the title.
We did it, Mama. We made it, Mama. Look at that.
So we have 2 cameras. In case you're wondering, he's not just talking to random people. That's his wife. That is his wife over there. She's Instagramming.
Yeah.
I think.
I think.
Okay, yes. Perfect. We're going to taste it. Give us a second.
All right. So we're cutting the pie.
I'm just going to eat pie.
You see how thick and consistent that is?
Can you see? Wait, tilt it. Can you see how beautifully that pie cut? That's because it's perfect. This recipe, I don't know if you gave the measurements of everything.
Yeah, we'll do the measurements and stuff, yeah.
You did with the butter?
Yeah, with the
How much
butter
butter
and
was
everything.
it? Do you guys know how much
2
butter
sticks
was
of butter.
2 sticks of
Melted butter, yeah.
Okay.
If you're making 1 pie, use 3 sweet potatoes, dice them up, and then boil them, and then not mashed, but it's good. Good. Mama got it right. Okay, cool.
Dude, that's good.
Right.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. No, that's good. Y'all should make it. No, what else? Okay, wait.
Okay. So
because I have to list this in the description, and along with the links to LampStand Music.
Yeah, LampStand Music. Or Tall J. You can check me out now on iTunes, Spotify, everywhere. Just put in Tall J. So you get your sweet potatoes, you dice them up, boil them. You use 1 egg, whip it up. Put the egg in last though. Mix everything up. About 6 teaspoons of brown sugar.
We didn't use 2 eggs.
We used 2.
You said 1 egg.
Yeah, 1 egg. Because we used 2. We can make 2 pies.
Oh, he's giving the 1 pie version.
Yeah, 1 pie version.
No, we totally used 2 pies.
Yep. 2 teaspoons of
I'll get it sorted out and put it in the description. But go ahead.
2 teaspoons of applesauce.
Apple seasoning.
And apple spice. Yeah, teaspoon of apple spice. 2 teaspoons, not applesauce. I said apple.
You said applesauce.
Juice. Apple juice. Sorry.
I don't listen to me. Listen to him. I'm full of wine. We barbecue. It's Memorial Day, but y'all don't know that.
Yeah, definitely.
Not in the video. It's not Memorial Day.
Yeah, you'll see it after Memorial
It's
Day.
June 7th.
Definitely. All right. So that's it, really. Yeah, pan it up, put it in the oven, bake it for about 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes.
325 Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Fahrenheit. Y'all can Google the other conversion to Celsius.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes good.
It is really, I'm not kidding, I've never had it before and this is amazing. Why hasn't this been in my life before this? This has been missing from my life.
Very good. Thank you. Well, make sure you try it. Make sure you subscribe to her page for more cooking tips.
Yes, and Josh, thank you for being on my channel. You guys, make sure that you check out. Make sure that you check out. I told you I was full of wine and barbecue. Make sure that you check out LampStand Music. I'm going to leave links down below to all of Josh's stuff. It is like all great and all awesome, or I wouldn't have him on my channel because we only do awesomeness here. That's okay. Anyway. And subscribe and do all of those things that I always say at the end of the video, but I can't think of right now because I had.
You're good.
Okay.
All right.
Bye. Oh, happy cooking. That's what I say at the end.
Happy cooking.
Happy cooking,
Happy
everyone.
cooking.
Bye.
Oh,
All right. That was good.
Fun.
That was good.
Sure you
That
can.
was good. Just kidding. Alright. Hey everyone, I am Chef Alicia. Welcome to... Nope, I messed. See? I got all excited. Okay, ready?
How much I'm pouring out?
You don't have to start right when it does it, but do it? Oh, it's doing it.
No timer on it.
Doing it, I didn't set the
Okay.
timer.
all
Okay,
good.
so, do you want me to talk first?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, I'll hold 2 seconds because it's hard to tell what I'm saying for.
Definitely. All right.
Okay, wait. Sorry, go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay.
My stool is out of place and I don't want to fall because of the wind.
It's all good. All right. So we're back. So we got this mixed up
I don't
now.
have lights on.
Okay.
That's why you can't see us.
There we go.
can do some outtakes on this, I think. Okay,
I think
ready?
you said you had to. A little more.
Do you want to tell the cricket? Am I cricket?
No, that's fine.
Do it!
Do it.
Go outside!
Do it.
Oh, sorry.
You still alive?
We're still going. Okay, go ahead.